Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jorge and today I am going to transform this $6 mirror into that trending Arhaus slash Anthropologie mirror that we're seeing everywhere. So first of all, if you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. My name is Jorge and I like to do home decor, DIYs, thrift flips, and all that stuff. And so if you saw last week's video, in my thrift haul, I found this amazing mirror for just $6 at the thrift store. And I was really obsessed with the shape of it and all that. And so it sort of gave me an idea to transform it. So before I get started, I want to give credit where credit is due. So Becky over from the Sorry Girls on YouTube, they had a video where they like transformed something that they found. I think it was from Drake's neighborhood or something like that. And so Becky found like this old mirror and she did something similar to it, and I was really excited by it. And so when I saw this mirror on the thrift store, I was like, I need to do that. So definitely go check out that video as well. But today I'm gonna sort of do my own twist on it. And so yeah, let's go ahead and get started. All right, first things first is this mirror seems like it used to be part of like a dresser set at some point. So first I need to go ahead and remove those stands on the back. And if I look at the back side here, you can see that well, maybe you can't see, but the mirror is actually kind of loose right now. So I definitely need to fix that. But what I'm thinking is I'm going to remove the two stands. I think that's what they're called. And I'm just going to go ahead and remove the mirror. That way I can just focus on the frame itself and I don't have to tape out the mirror. And then once it's complete, I can just insert that afterwards. Now, like I said, I was able to remove the mirror from the frame, which is a lot easier to work with. And what I went ahead and did is bought these ornamental molding slash scrolls. I still don't know what they're called, but I will link them down below if you're interested. But essentially I picked these up over at Home Depot, and I think I like this one right here for the top, and for the two like sides at the bottom I'm going to use this pack of two. But there really is no right or wrong way to do this. It's just personal preference. I'm going to be using this Gorilla Clear Glue, perfect for wood, which these items are wood. And I'm also going to be using some hot glue gun just to hold it in place while the Gorilla Glue dries, which is about 2 hours, I think. And then I will show you sort of, I guess, the technique to blend it all together. So next up, I'm applying some Gorilla Glue to the back of the scrolls, and then I'm also applying some hot glue just to hold it in place while the Gorilla Glue dries, which that will take about 2 hours. Now I will say that this particular frame is beveled, so I'm making sure that the side that touches the frame has the Gorilla Glue. So as the frame stands right now, it kind of just looks like I just glued on some scrolls onto the frame. So in order to make it feel more cohesive and intentional, I'm adding some hot glue dots around the frame and sort of just tying together the different scrolls and making it feel more cohesive and just overall add more detail. Okay, so next up I'm going to give one coat of spray paint, of gold spray paint, to the frame. Now it's 20 degrees out here, it's freezing, so I'm gonna take it inside to let dry afterwards. Like this video and subscribe for more DIY videos. For the gold spray paint, I am going to be using this by Rust-Oleum. It's metallic, and I will be spray painting the back because with the mirror you actually can see some of the reflection of the back, like this outer edge. So I'm actually gonna just give it a quick spray paint around there and then flip it over and spray the whole front. Okay, so the spray paint is now completely dry and it already looks really good, and I could just stop there, but I want to take it even further and I'm going to make it feel patina, a little bit more vintage looking, distressed. So what I'm going to do is paint it black. Yes, paint it black, and then I'm going to come back and then wipe some of it off, and then apply some of the rub and buff. After applying the paint, I let this dry for about 5 minutes, enough so that it would adhere to the frame but not fully dry. And then I'm taking a paper towel and coming back to just clean off the paint as much as I can, but still leaving some behind. And as you can see here, especially in the little nooks and crannies, those details really make it feel vintage. And it's already looking so much better, as you can see here. So I let the black paint dry fully before coming in with some rub and buff in gold leaf. Of course, I'm making sure that I'm in a well ventilated area, and I'm using a paintbrush and honestly my fingers to apply this. And this is honestly very satisfying because it's bringing that frame back to life. I'm making sure not to put too much on there. I want some of that black to still show through because that creates a distressed vintage feel, and honestly the frame looks so good and this makes it come to life. So I applied this to the entire frame, I let that dry fully, and then I went back in and applied the mirror to the frame. So let's take a look at the final look of this mirror. Alright, that was today's video. I think this mirror turned out pretty dope. Let me know down in the comments below what you think. Now I will say that I need to secure the frame and the mirror a little bit better, but all the tools and stuff are outside and it's freezing, so I'm just gonna hold off on it and put it away for a little bit. But thank you so much for watching. Now if you decide to make one of these, you can do this with any mirror that has a frame on it. It could be a round mirror, an oval mirror, square mirror, whatever. But be sure to tag me on Instagram, casa_refined, so I can see it. But anyways, thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more DIYs, home decor, and things like that. I have upcoming room makeovers. So thank you all so much, and I'll catch y'all next time. Bye.